I was cleaning the airplane, and while I was brushing underneath the bottom of the wing to get all the residue and dirt off, I heard something funny. So I decided to start checking this out and get a load of this. Now, this is something I've never heard before. There are diagonal struts that go from here to here, and there's a straight strut that goes this way. This strut over here is a anti-drag strut, and when I find it, if I push on it, you can hear that. It sounds like right here some rivets have come loose, and I really hate the idea of cutting the fabric on that wing. Okay, I took a knife and cut this off, open this up. This rivet right here is loose. I don't know if we can get a picture of it moving. Found it by pushing on this cross tube. Can't even see it move, but it's moving. So these rivets don't look like they even went through the tube right, but I don't know if these are loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill these 3 rivets out and redo them, see if the rattle stops. If that did it, great. If not, then I've got to take these 3 inside there, cut the fabric down a little bit more and take them out. Now if that doesn't do it, then I've got to cut another hole on the top and do those 2 as well. Okay, I've already put in new rivets. Now we're going to come up here and see if that took care of it. That was it. Those 3 little rivets. That's all it took. Now we got to make up a patch to go over this, and then bond it in and repaint it.